Hello everyone and welcome to our next DevBlog. It's been a minute since I've worked on foodies and I've finally gotten AI to work. So I've been able to do some things because when I tried to do things myself, everything kind of crashed and burned because I could not handle the UI at all. So what we've got going here, I believe I finished this. I don't know if I showed y'all this yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you anyways. So I'll go ahead and start it and explain as I go. This is the base scene, which is separate from all our adventures. It's where you first log in. Pretty sure I told y'all that, but we'll see. Alright, we're gonna play this, and in my roster, currently I only have 3 foodies. The ones you saw in the battle demo, the egg, the salmon, and the steak, which for now I have given, let's find my, where is he? Right here. Alright. I have decided to put his health lower than what his max health is to show y'all what I've been working on. This button right here, I know it says button, it's just a normal button, but no. This is our unit access, or the unit list. It shows you all of the units you own. These sprites are a bit big, but that's just because, you know, I'm using their battle sprites. I'm gonna make separate ones for their normal, I guess unit sprites, I don't know, we'll see. But you can now see the health, you can see the defense, attack, crit damage. It's a little scrunched here, I need to work on that still. Air effect hit. I haven't made the panel is still transparent, it's not opaque yet, which is why that little black box that you saw earlier is still there. But we have, this one is going to be the armor tab, which I haven't implemented armor yet, so we'll see that in the future. And this is going to be the skill tab, which I've implemented that, but I haven't found a way to put it up on the skill panel yet. So for now we just have info. You can see everything, their current health, their max health, everything, but I'm going to show y'all something with egg. Oh, and in this big box here is going to be an animation where you go to skills, you press on their skill, and you see the battle animation, etc. So right here is what I'm calling for now the infirmary. See, part of foodies is, you know, it's a fight against the hangries or the hungries because they want to eat you because, you know, food. And you will have a wall right here. I know it's just a big blue screen, but trust the process. Big blue wall. And you are going to be able to assign foodies to defend yourselves from raids that happen throughout the day. But over time, those raids are going to, you know, beat up your foodies, get their health low, and eventually, if you're not careful, they might die. You'll have to heal them back up. They'll just be knocked out, you know, because it would be a bit unfortunate if, you know, you didn't turn your notifications on and you forgot, and then when you came back, the foodie that you worked so hard for to get to max level with full armor, etc., died and you lost everything. Bye bye. But no, we're not going to do that. That would be more realistic. Sorry about that. That's my bunny. I said more realistic, but I want y'all to enjoy playing the game, and it's really frustrating to lose hours of work because you forgot something. So in this we have what is the infirmary, the hospital, whatever. The reason the egg's here is because his health is lower. We don't see the salmon or the steak because it only checks who's injured, and that's why they're not here. So we can see he is injured, and once I click on him, he's going to go into one of these slots, and he's going to start healing. Currently, it's 1 HP per second, which is not what it's going to be in the end game. That's way too fast. It might be for really weak and easier to get foodies, like an egg, but for now, he's going to go up here, and you'll see a little progress bar slowly fill up. It's really hard to see. You can go full screen here, and it has how much HP out of what, and the time remaining, and his name. I need to fix that still, but if we press him, say, I need him real quick for a battle. I'll just say this, stop healing the egg, say yes, and he's back here. And if we go here, we can see that he did in fact heal a little bit, but not fully. And so we're going to go back here, heal him all the way up. Of course, I can't see that right now. I'll work on the UI and stuff later. But you'll also be able to see a little animation here on the screen of them getting healed up. And of course, as you level up the infirmary, which each building will have a level. You'll get more slots and it will go faster. So, see Finn, I was being goofy, I put Finn, but once he's done healing, you gotta confirm that he's healed so you can use him again. We're gonna press Finn, and he should be all the way healed up. Yes! So that's what I've worked on for now. That's the end of this devblog, I guess. So I hope y'all enjoyed and will continue watching. Make sure to subscribe so you can continue to see how this is going, and maybe become a beta tester, because this is actually going pretty fast. So once I get UI up and some other few things, you'll be able to play a little demo. But for now, that's what we got. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification so you see when my next devblog pops up. And I will see y'all next video.